I'm going camping, and it's been a very long time since I've been camping. So I'm at the bus stop outside of my place to get a zip car to go up into the woods. Kind of what I need, and kind of nervous. So we'll see what happens. As a kid, I used to go camping every summer. When I tell people that I go camping and enjoying camping, and not just like in a cabin, you know, like not just going to the forest or the woods or the country, but like actually pitching a tent, being in the dirt, being in the mud. People are like really surprised by that. So my siblings, my mother, my aunt, my grandmother, and my cousins and I. So let's see, 7, 8 of us would go camping. When we started camping, I actually think I was the one who suggested it. I remember going to like these kind of daycare summer camps, which I absolutely loved, and would laminate flowers and we would go on hikes, and I remember being really pumped, and I would like lay out my clothes the night before, douse them in off bug spray, and I just remember loving it. And those were like 30 minutes away from my grandmother's house in Saratoga, California. The things were like a week long, and then eventually we evolved to like KOA camps where we would be out longer, but you know, still very manicured, and like, you know, I think my brother was very young. He was a baby when we would go camping. And then we eventually graduated. I remember the first campsite that we went to was called Grizzly Bear Creek, and first like a real camping trip, and we did the Junior Ranger program. Our most intense trip was going on a 3-week camping excursion. We did 2 summers back to back through the Northwest and the Southwest. So we went all the way up into Canada when we did the Northwest, and we didn't go to Mexico in the Southwest trip, but we did all the canyons, and we saw Zion, you know, the Grand Canyon, the Arches, Virgin Rivers. I probably haven't gone camping in like 10 years. And I think I feel really disconnected from myself, and I feel very disconnected from the earth. So I just decided I'm gonna go camping. Just checked in. Feel like a little kid, so I'm super excited. Yeah, let's get it, let's go. I have one of my grandmother's tents, and I took it when I left. I lived with her for a while, and just before she passed. And so I'll be using the same tents that I used as a teenager. Hopefully everything functions all right, because I didn't open it up to check like I probably should have. So it's one night, me, a tent, this rental Subaru, and I'm just really grateful and excited, and like, it's something small that I can do for myself. Not bad, feeling pretty cute. Feeling pretty cute right now. I am all set up in my little tent, and it's so weird because I used to share this with my 2 cousins. So it's kind of funny being here by myself. Also setting it up by myself was different because usually there's definitely 2 people per tent. I mean, it's not impossible, obviously, but it helps. Here it is. Here we are. And it's so lovely. The weather is like nice. It's very humid though, and I don't think, as long as I'll live on the East Coast, I don't think I'll ever get over humidity. Like, it is always a thing. So I think it's gonna rain in like the next hour or so. I'm gonna just chill out here. I think it's gonna only rain around 5 o'clock. And wait for the rain to pass, because I don't wanna have to go set up. Then it rains and I gotta, wait. So I'm gonna just wait for the rain to come and then, go swim. Swimming, I think swimming is the most important part of it all for me. Swimming in fresh water is like no other experience. I mean, the ocean is amazing and it can be beautiful, but there's something about swimming in a lake or a river, and it just frees me and it rejuvenates me, and it's so integral to who I am. And I'm also really, I've been living in Atlanta for 6 years, and I have not, only within the last year have I really taken advantage of the natural resources, and that's so lame of me. That's so freaking lame. I think this campsite is literally 30 minutes from me. And I've been out here stressed and pressed for no reason, and I should have been getting myself out into nature, but that's all right, we are doing it. We're gonna have a great time on our one night stand in nature. I am feeling refreshed. I'm feeling rejuvenated. I definitely could have done another night. When I was swimming, I found this snail shell, which seemed to have a snail in it still, or some sort of organism. I'm not quite sure. It never came out of the shell, but there was something in it still. And then just as I was leaving at the trading post, there was a snail crossing, moving right across the way, and there was an ant. The ant was just busy, buzzing around him. And the snail was like, bitch, I don't give a dick. The snail did not give no fucks. One of the songs that popped in my head while I was out was Young Lion by Vampire Weekend. I feel like there's a tie between that snail and that song in some way. The idea of taking my time, protecting myself, that my home is myself, which is, a very, not challenging, but I think something that I have to reacquaint and reconnect with, maybe a reminder to be a little bit more gentle on myself, and that it's okay to recoil, and that it's okay to build a home inside of myself. I just want happiness and peace, and I think I'm getting closer to finding it. It's not particularly easy, but it's obtainable. It is obtainable.